If your monthly Zendesk bill just went up again and half your team uses maybe 3 features, you are not alone. In 2026, there are real alternatives worth knowing about. Some replace Zendesk entirely. Others make it smarter without requiring a single migration. Here are the 7 best options. When teams start looking at alternatives, they usually fall into one of 2 camps. The first group wants a completely different platform, a fresh start with new workflows. The second group is happy with Zendesk, but wants more automation and smarter AI on top of it. Knowing which camp you are in shapes every decision after this one. Not every tool earns a spot on this list by being popular. We looked at 5 things: whether it handles core ticketing well, how fast it is to set up, whether its AI goes beyond simple templates, whether the pricing is predictable, and who the ideal user actually is. Every tool here clears that bar for a specific type of team. Here is a quick snapshot before we go deeper. 7 tools, each with a clear best fit team and a different pricing model. eesel AI stands out as the only option specifically built to add intelligence on top of Zendesk rather than replace it. The rest are full platforms in their own right. Help Scout is built to feel like a regular email inbox. There is no heavy interface to learn, which means new agents get up to speed in minutes. Pricing is based on your contact volume, starting at $50 per month, so costs stay predictable as your list grows. HubSpot Service Hub earns its place through context. When an agent opens a ticket, they see everything about that customer: what they bought, which emails they opened, and what deals are in progress. If your company already runs on HubSpot, adding the Service Hub is a natural fit. Freshdesk is the closest all-in-one competitor to Zendesk in feature depth. It covers email, phone, chat, and social media, comes with a large app marketplace, and offers a free plan for teams with up to 2 agents. Growth plans start at $15 per agent per month, making it one of the more accessible full platform options. Gorgias is built from the ground up for e-commerce. Shopify order data appears directly inside every support ticket, so agents can process refunds and track shipments without ever leaving the conversation. If most of your support queue is order questions, Gorgias cuts resolution time by a significant margin. If your support operation is internal IT, Jira Service Management is the specialist. It runs on ITIL workflows for incident management and change tracking, connects directly to Jira software for developer handoffs, and provides an employee portal for submitting requests. Free for up to 3 agents, with paid plans starting at around $19 per agent per month. Zoho Desk packs an impressive set of features into one of the lowest price points on this list. Their built-in AI, Zia, handles sentiment analysis and ticket suggestions. There is a free plan for up to 3 agents, and paid standard plans start at $14 per agent per month. For budget-conscious teams that still want professional tools, it is a strong choice. If you already trust Zendesk but want AI that actually works, eesel AI is worth a close look. It connects to your existing setup in minutes, no developer required. The standout feature is simulation mode. You can test your AI against thousands of past tickets to see how it would have responded before it ever touches a live customer. Plans start at $239 per month. Curious whether eesel AI can make your current Zendesk setup smarter? Try it free for 7 days at eesel.ai. Run a simulation on your past tickets and see the results before you go live with a single customer. No credit card required.